So I started having issues with my power windows. Not this one. You can see this one works. But with this one, nothing. So it just gets dim. So what I did was I went ahead and Amazon carries these. That's the part number there. I'll include the link below. Yeah, it's Chinese, but again, I need to see if it's this or the motor. So let's go ahead and swap this. So there we go. And it comes nicely packaged. So let's go ahead and swap these out. Alright, so the easiest way to do it is one of these. Just be careful with the trim, and then you just lift up. And let's get this plug out. So I got the plug out, let's plug it up. Before you put the plug back in, make sure you test it. So moment of truth. There we go. We got power. Let's get this back in there. Another observation, when I do it with the original buttons, it's hard to tell on camera here, but they do like kind of dim a little bit, like if there's not enough power. And with the new switch, that doesn't happen at all. So I wonder if all these switches are on the way out. So guess I'll order one or two more for backup. But anyway, there you go. It's that simple. So the next time.